Do you usually feel very weak, tired, or you feel dizzy sometimes when you try to get up, or you've been told that you have low iron deficiency? Then I want to show you a natural juice that is rich in nutrients that can help to support healthy red blood cell production and iron absorption in your body. All you need to make this juice are some carrots, some apples, 1 juice of lemon, beetroot, ginger, 1 or 2 cups of spinach. So all you have to do is to blend all of this together. So we'll be starting off with chopping these recipes into smaller pieces so that we're able to extract all of the nutrients from these recipes. We'll be starting off with chopping the carrots. Carrots are very rich in beta carotene, which is the antioxidant responsible for the production of vitamin A. Studies have shown that vitamin A helps to support healthy red blood cell production in our body. So I usually advise that we steam our carrots for a little while so that we're able to absorb all of the beta carotene from the recipe. Then we move to chopping apples. Please note that we are using red apples for this recipe, and this is because red apples have a small amount of iron. Yes, because we are trying to achieve, this is the objective we are trying to achieve. We are trying to help our body with red blood cell production and iron absorption. That's why we are using the red apple for this recipe. Okay, please take note of this, not the green apples but the red apples. Then we'll move to ginger. Ginger helps to support healthy digestion, making nutrient absorption more efficient in our body. The lemons are rich in vitamin C, which helps to increase iron absorption. Then we have the beetroot, which contains folate, an essential nutrient for making healthy red blood cell in the body. They also contain nitrates that improve blood flow and oxygen delivery around our body. They contain small amounts of iron and vitamin C. Then we have the odogun parara of this juice, which is spinach. Spinach is one of the richest sources of iron. It is rich in folate, vitamin K, magnesium, and chlorophyll, and supports red blood cell formation in the body. So once you are done chopping all the recipes into smaller pieces, then you can proceed to blend them, or you can use a slow juicer just like what I am using in this video. All right, so you can see the slow juicer will help to extract the pulp into a different cup and extract the juice into a different cup. So you blend all of this together. All right, the combination of all of these recipes complements one another to support healthy red blood cell formation and iron production in your body. All right, so once we are done blending, this is what we have. This is the final result that we have. This is looking amazing already. You can see it's looking very thick and very nice. All right, so you can turn this into a glass cup, or you can fill it in bottles and put in your refrigerator. So you can drink this immediately, or you can refrigerate for some period of time, all right, and enjoy. So please, you can try this out and let us know your experience from this amazing recipe. Please drop a comment for us in the comment section. Let's know what you think about this recipe. Thank you for staying with us to the end of this video. See you in our next video. Bye bye.